Hi everyone. So today I have a haul. I didn't think there was that much stuff in here, but now I realize there are, I think, some auto ships and then some items that I had picked up. So super excited to get to it. It's all from HSN. So any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And I'm sure you guys are seeing this. Oh my gosh, you guys, the 5x7. I finished. I had to finish it. I was like just working on it. Like, I'm not even going to show you. I'll put that to the side. But today, or I don't know when I'm going to put this video out. So maybe you've already seen the second part of that tutorial. And I'm getting so much feedback from you guys. You guys are loving it. I hear from a lot of you guys that you started your own or you finished your own, So I'm just super excited about the deconstructed card kits. So you know what I didn't do though in the video is to show you the difference. Obviously, there's a difference in size. This was for A2. And this one is the 5x7. Not too much difference in size. And honestly, if you want to make the A2 a little bigger, like we talked about, you can do that. But again, I made it so that these things were in here snugly. And as you guys saw probably in the other video, that one is not so snug. It has space, right? I don't want to show you guys too much. You'll have to wait and see. But yeah, it just, how cute. And then I think next week we'll start, like I said, the 5x7. But you'll hear that in the video because I already finished my video. Okay. Super excited. Like I said, I love hearing from you guys that you've made your own or what you're doing. And if you ever want to tag me on Instagram, do that. And all you have to do is just include my name in your post or tag me add it on the thing. It doesn't matter. However you want to do that. Or just let me know. Oh, okay. Oh man, this is going to be a big boy, this first one. This is I want an all-type bundle of Heartfelt creations, and I do like getting this on HSN because if there's a coupon or if there's anything else, it's a really, really great deal. And even just with the first discount, like a lot of times with the want it all, it's like a different price, right, than if you were buying everything separately. It's still pretty great. Heartfelt creations themselves obviously has their own bundles, usually when they launch things, and so you guys can check that out. But this one, these always sell out so fast on HSN. I don't know, I feel like they only bring in like 50 of them or something because they sell out like fast. And then one of my friends here, Shireen, lets me know sometimes when these are available, and I'm like, oh, because I stock the HSN site pretty much daily, if not every other day, but sometimes things get past me. So this is one I did pick up. It's the Elegant Mosaic. It's kind of like a mandala type, and I have some other things like this, and I use them here and there, but the reason I really like this one is because it has the borders. I thought they were so pretty. So like you have the little mandalas, and then the dies that go with them will cut all the layers, which isn't anything new, but I love the way Heartfelt Creations makes their dies and the way they work, and they cut like right on the edge, and it's just so pretty. So this one will cut all these different layers here for you, plus this guy. So we'll see. And then the beautiful stamps here, and then this one has, this one goes with that one. And these guys here, again, the stamp set and then the die set. Bursting Blooms mosaics. Really love those edgings, it's so pretty. And then this one here. And look at that. I mean, honestly, this is what sold me, and then the edgings, because I thought they were so pretty. It does come in that nice bag when you buy the whole thing, and then it has the, still like some inspo, which is really cute. On their website itself, I mean, look at this. This is just the die with a little bit of inking. They have tons of ideas. I don't know who's all on her design team, or if, Mary Lou, is that her name? What's her name? Designs them herself or however, but does all this. I don't know. They just have tons of examples of everything that they put out. So really, really nice. That's not right. Emma Lou, Mary. I don't know. You think it'd be on here? Maybe it is on here. I don't know why right now. Sometimes I forget people's names. It's okay. Let's see. Let's see this paper because I am curious. To be honest, I'll probably use the paper up before I do all the stamping and inking. But let's open this up. And then I just got my Diamond Press Easter basket pop-up, which I reviewed for their sale. So that's part of the auto ship, and I had signed up for the auto ship, right, with the pop-ups because I wanted that one in particular. And then there's a few. I can't remember what the other ones were, but they're all super cute. So anyway, we have our... What I love about their paper packs is the way they do this. So there's things on here that'll be like 6x6-ish. There's like A2 size. There's like little tags. There's borders for like a scrapbook page. The back of the paper is also gorgeous, of course. So there's 2 of each. Again, here we have like 6x6, but you can cut them down even smaller than that. This looks like A2, some little labels, a whole like scrapbook page kind of layout on the back side here. All these different little shapes and pieces. And you know, she makes them so you can kind of cut them, I mean, in my opinion, pretty easily. I would cut this right here, and then from there you can cut this one, and then you can start cutting these other pieces, you know. So a lot of toppers, and look at the colors on this. So pretty. Super, oh my gosh. You guys, I wanted to get back into scrapbooking. It's just not working for me. It's just like the last thing I'm thinking about. I do have a lot of pictures I need to scrapbook, but you know, I don't know. Look how pretty. Oh, I would cut this up just for backgrounds. Look at this. Oh, okay, and that's the other thing. Okay, when I said I would just cut this up for backgrounds, yeah, okay, that's fine. But the dies that are in here, you would cut these pieces out. So you can do the whole thing, or you can do like the pieces, you know, this die or whatever, however you want to layer it up, you can also do that. So that's pretty much, she has paper pads, and all the paper pads seems like she has something like that with. And again, more 6x6, maybe mini album-ish, right? A little tag. Ooh, the blue on that is so pretty. Look at this one. I think somebody had asked earlier if I was going to do 6x6 deconstructed, and I was like, you know what, I wasn't thinking of that because it's not really a size I work with too often. We're going to do the slimline, and then I think I'm going to do like a specialty card one where I mean like rocking cards or slider cards or whatever, so you have everything ready to go, and then the decorations that go with it. But, you know, I mean, for 6x6, you can just make basically this base that's 6.5 inches or something, and you're good to go, right? Go from there. I don't know. Tags. These tags are interesting because she probably has a die that would cut these, but for me, I'm just going to have to cut them unless I pick up that die set. I'm pretty sure she has a die set for that. It looks like she would, right? Ooh, so pretty. Okay, let me put this away and I'll grab the other item. Funny, because I was like, this box got delivered actually a couple days ago and I didn't think anything of it, and then right now I was like, should I make the video? Because I, you know, obviously a box is delivered. And then I looked to see what might have come from HSN. I was like, oh, that's a lot of stuff. So let's check it out. Oh, okay, this is an auto ship. And I was debating on this auto ship because this is the decoupage, but I don't think that's what they call it. I forgot what they call it. But the first one, the first iteration actually came with a big, like a create a card die cut frame type option, and then it came with the decoupage pieces, and the ones that followed up I thought was going to come with another create a card base, but it didn't. It's, or you know, die set. It was just these topper pieces. But this is so pretty, and they're all so pretty. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go and just skip some because I don't need all these decoupage, you know, but they're so pretty. So I'm letting them all show up. So this is the Elegant Orchid. So again, it comes with a stamp, and then they're showing you like you would use the die. So basically you would stamp the same image a few times, and then you take your dies from here and cut those. And I've shown you guys how to do that in the past. I normally just use the paper pad, but you know, once you're out of the paper pad, if Crafts Companion site doesn't have like the printables, you're gonna color it yourself. These dies have embossing and all that, so it gives really pretty impressions, you know, on the paper, on the what you stamp. So it's really nice. I really like these. And so that's the die set, and then these are the actual pages. And again, Crafts Companion had said that they would have copies basically on their site so you can print them out. I have never actually done it, but I mean, there's like, how many are in here? 48? So you can make 48 cards or 48 projects. I mean, come on. And then you have all your decoupage layers that are so pretty, and a lot of times I don't even decoupage all the layers. I do like maybe 2 or 3, and then I add like the extra one somewhere else, you know, in a project. So really pretty. So that was that. Auto ship. This is the, oh, you know what? This one I never actually got. So I always try to pick up whatever Auto Ships Die Impress has, and sometimes I forget or something happens or whatever. So this one is the pull tab, because I did get the initial pull tab, but I guess I didn't have the whole auto ship program. So this is the Welcome Home pull tab. Dies and stamps. And so as you're seeing these on HSN site, just know some of them, obviously you need to have the first iteration, the first kit, so that these things will work. Some of them you might still get them to work without these things, and sometimes if, you know, the price is good enough, maybe you just want it for the stamps and dies, I don't know. Let me open this up. I do also have some coming in from Die Impress itself. Some of the things I missed, which was, I think the one that had to do with like ice cream with the pull tab. sweet treats or something. And then the Be Mine gift bag. Oh, which reminds me, one of my friends here let me know that on HSN they also have the Easter gift bag. If you weren't in the auto ship for the gift bags, which Celebrate was one of the gift bags I just recently reviewed that they had there on mydiamondpress.com. They don't have it there yet, or maybe they won't have it at all, but they do have it on HSN right now, and it's super cute little Easter bunny gift bag. But I'll link all those different things. This one has like the doorway and things, and of course the stickies. And like wreaths and all kinds of cute things. And, you know, I love me a door die set, so I had to get this one. Little kitty cat. Oh my gosh. So here's the door itself. And then as this one has a mechanism, it doesn't have the initial part that it's like a big, well, I guess maybe you can cut it yourself. It's an A2 size like this. So as I'm saying, for me, you pretty much need to have the first iteration, which does this for you, right? It does this, it cuts the little space, and it cuts that. So, you know, the pull tab guide too. I'm kind of interested why this one has a different pull tab. Maybe it's thicker or something? No, that doesn't make sense. Pull tab reinforcement used from first kit and then use it from this kit. I don't know. We'll have to see why it would have a different pull tab. Okay. And what else here? Oh my goodness. Sorry, there's just like a big old box on top. So I just want to move that. We'll get to that last. Oh, the Slimline Shadowbox dies. This is another auto ship that I'm on with Diamond Press. And then people ask all the time, whenever I show something that has to do with Anna Griffin or these things or whatever, and it's an auto ship or the Crafter's Companion boxes. How do I get on this? And I'm always like, I feel bad, but it's like you had to have signed up when they first showed it months ago or a year ago or whatever it was. So when it's an auto ship, guys, HSN will do a presentation of it, and that's when you can sign up for it. And then after that, that's it. And if they have overstock, they will bring them back. Like I said, sometimes Diamond Press will have them themselves, or sometimes Anna Griffin will have them on her site or whatever. But the auto ship itself, it's usually better pricing, you know, initially. And if you pick it up later, you know, it might be $5 or $10 more or whatever on HSN. I don't know. A lot of times Diamond Press will have it for the same price, or they'll have deals later. But so this is the new Slimline. Oh my gosh. So this is the Shadowbox Slimline initially. I think that's all it was called. I don't really recall the name. But what's cool about this one is that every time they are giving you the die that makes the shadow box. So this one's not missing anything. Like if you're just to pick it up, everything's there and you're good to go. You don't have to depend on the first one. But it does have different inserts, right? So like this one has a little egg-shaped insert. Oh my gosh. With little stitching that stays on there. Look at the little, oh my gosh, the shapes already. I'm telling you, the little pop-up bunny that we worked on, the little bunny itself is just adorable. If you can just stamp him. What's cute though is that we have him and he's reversed, right? On that pop-up set that Diamond Press had on their site. So I think that'd be a fun way to use him, is to go ahead and use the die to cut him out and then just fussy cut the rest off, you know, the part that in the center where he's still together, and do a card with like a little egg and then, or something, and then you have the bunnies on either side because we have the reverse images. Love it. Anyway, this one has all the little flowers and cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Super looking forward to this one. And then this is just instructions. So there's that. And then here are images. Again, they don't have to be for this set. I mean, you can put these little bunnies wherever you want, but how cute. Of course, happy Easter, Easter blessings, all kinds of sweet stuff. And then it has an elongated cutting folder. And that is for the marquee. I do get questions almost every time I make a video for Diamond Press. People ask, what is this? And it's for the marquee. And if you don't have a marquee, just, I don't know, use it for something else. So one gal here said she puts her instructions in it just to keep them nice and neat, you know, with the set. Whatever it is that you want to do. But any machine that cuts thin metal dies will cut those thin metal dies. And let's move this. What do we got here? I also got my Corez auto ship, which is lotions that I love. This one here is the Wild Orchid. Oh, it's so good. But I'm not going to open this because I've shown it to you guys in the past. But it's basically a face cream that I don't use. But the price is so good on that, I just get it for like the huge hand cream that's in there. I think I have a small hand cream or something. I can't remember. There's 2 things in there. 3 things in there. 2 that I use. one that I was trying to use. I just don't use a lot of stuff on my face, so like for me, it's not. I don't know. I barely even. I know it probably sounds like bad, but just whatever water and soap falls on my face when I'm in the shower, that's how I wash my face, and I keep my youthful glow. Yeah, one day I'm gonna regret that, huh? So many years of not really taking care of it. Okay, so I picked this up because mine, he looks bad. This is like literally like the first one they came out with. And I don't know, she works and it's fine. I just think, I just want another one, I'm not gonna lie. This thing was on sale, it was like 20 some odd bucks at the time. So I'm like, yeah, because look at this, it's rose gold, beautiful pink handles. And it just looks really nice. So I grabbed another one. And then the eyelets and storage case. And generally, like I said, I don't use a lot of eyelets, but this one has like cute little eyelets. They show a scrapbook page here. But yeah, there's little cute things. And again, it was just a bundle they had there on HSN that I decided to pick up. But you might be seeing this a lot more in videos than this one. Oh. Alright. I guess that's it. Quick video, huh? Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I have a few orders of different things coming in, but just they're not here yet, and we will get to those when we get to those. Alright guys, have a good one. Stay safe out there. I know there's more storms are coming. I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.